Math 121, you reviewed both the left-hand and the right-hand Riemann sums, including the midpoint. Certainly we're extending it to other ones, so left, right, midpoint. We also have trapezoid rule, which is covered in class, and we had a Simpson's rule that was covered in class. What I'm going to go over here, though, is how to use a computer to do it. You should be able to do it by hand, but anyway, let's go for this. Let's go to Sage. And Sage, you should be familiar with it at this point. I'm just going to do a copy paste, and let's copy this here. I'm going to paste that in, hit the return button, and then I'm going to copy this. This is a comment. Yes, you should read that. I'll copy the next line in. And again, you should read that as well. Give me 1 second here. Paste it in. Copy this in. Okay, so I just hit return. I'm going to hit return again. So now I have this, this definition. So what I want to do is just go through the example they're providing for me. Let's say n is 6, a is 0, b is 1, and then I have this f of x. F of x is the sine function. All right? So I'll take this here, copy, paste. Again, you should at minimum read that. And it gives me a result. All right? Now, all the code is written down here for you, for each rule. What I want to do is take an example from this over here and see if I can do it and get the same answer we have over here. All right? So what I want to do is, this is a midpoint rule. I want to use the midpoint rule, trapezoid rule, and the Simpson rule. Let's just take one example. Let's take Simpson's rule. All right? So what I want to do is go back up here. I'm going to start copying things again. Actually, I'm going to copy the whole thing. Yep, you should read through it. Let me go back to Sage. I'm going to clear the screen. I'm also going to do a reset. Clears everything out. I'm going to paste that code in right now. Right? It should certainly save me a lot of time. I'm going to hit return. The function's defined now. What do I want to do? Well, let's go back to the example. I want to, certainly define the function. We'll do the end and that stuff too. What's the function? F of x is the sine, whoops, sorry about that. The sine of x. It's not the sine of x though, is it? It's sine of x squared. All right, and then what are we going to do over here? Well, n is 8. And again, we're doing Simpson's rule. Let's see. The a is 0, and the b is 2. All right, let's go back, and we're going to do Simpson's rule, right? With n is 8, where I'm going from 0 to 2. So basically, what am I doing over there? Let's go back. I'm going to copy paste this in. Sorry about that. I'm going to get this number here. Now I'm going to go back and just show you what happened over here. Now granted, this is to a certain number of places, 1, 2, 3, 6 places. 806, I do see that. 337, certainly there's more places over here. But you get the idea how easy this is if you can learn to code. All right? So we just went through some simple examples over here. Thank you.